Hello viewers, today we are going to see a problem based on kinetic energy. This problem comes under the chapter work, energy and power. So let us see the question. Example 6.6, a block of mass m is equal to 1 kilogram moving on a horizontal surface with a speed 2 meters per second. So initial velocity, Vi means initial velocity, enters a rough patch ranging from x equal to 0.10 meter to x equal to 2.01 meter. So this is the distance. This is the starting distance. This is the final distance. The retarding force Fr on the block in this range is inversely proportional to x over this range. So the retarding force Fr is equal to minus k by x for the distance x in between 0.1 to 2.01 meter. So it is given here. And it is equal to 0 for x less than 0. So the value is from 0.1 to 2.01 meter. Less than 0.1 is equal to 0. And greater than 2.1, then also it is 0. So the range is from 0.1 to 2.1. So you have to integrate from 0.1 to 2.01, where k is equal to 0.5 joule. What is the final kinetic energy and speed? Vf, final velocity of the block as it crosses this patch. See, already we have the relation formula for initial and final kinetic energies. So the difference, final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy, is equal to integration xi, initial distance, to final distance xf, f dx. Therefore, if you take this minus ki to the other side, it will become plus ki. So here what happens is kf is equal to, from equation 6.8 we have kf is equal to ki plus 0.1 to 2.1 minus k divided by x into dx. So kinetic energy, initial kinetic energy is half mv square. So initial means vi squared minus, this minus is taken as constant outside the integration. Integration of 1 by x is log x. This log x means base is e. Upper limit is 2.01, lower limit is 0.1. So we have half mass is given, vi square, velocity is given. Okay, mass is 1 kilogram. So here you substitute 1 kilogram. And velocity is 2 meters per second. It is given in the question. So 2 square is 4. If you cancel, you will get 2. So this value is 2. Minus k value is given as 0.5 joule. So substitute 0.5. This is natural logarithm. Natural logarithm means base e. Log of 2.01 divided by 0.1, which will give you log 20.1. So if you find out the log, natural logarithm for 20.1, you will get 2 minus 1.5, which is equal to 0.5 joules. So left hand side you are having kf, that is equal to half mv square. Half mv square. So bring the two other side, mass other side, and v square you have, you take root. So v of final velocity is equal to root of 2 final kinetic energy divided by m. So you have final kinetic energy, you substitute. Mass also is given, you substitute the value, which is equal to, after substituting you will get the answer as 1 meters per second. That is, the final velocity is 1 meters per second. So this is already I have told you. Here note that ln is a symbol for the natural logarithm to the base e and not the logarithm to the base 10. So it is not base 10, it is base e. So if you want to convert, ln x means log base e x, which is equal to 2.303 log base 10 x. So that's all about the problem, understanding this problem based on kinetic energy. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching. Nandri.